Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratik. So today we were searching for a place which is nearby to Bangalore since it's already 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and we were planning to return by evening because of this pandemic situation. So we came across this place which is like only 35 kilometers from Bangalore. It's called the Pearl Valley or Mutiala Maduvu, which is in Anekal district of Karnataka. This is like 40 kilometers from Bangalore and it is having a small waterfall and some mountain ranges. You can visit this place with your family and friends. It's good for a half day trip. काफ़ी भीड़ भाड़ है ये वाला एरिया चंद्रपुरा. Okay, so yeah, for the first time I'm coming here actually. Chandrapura is 25 kilometers from Bangalore, and from here you need to travel some 16 kilometers to reach Pearl Valley. Okay, Settihalli इधर है. सेट्टाहल्ली है ये, सेट्टीहल्ली नहीं है. अनेकलाल, जिग्नानी. This place is outside of hustle and bustle of Bangalore city. You will be getting clean and green roads. Now the roads are almost empty because of this pandemic situation. Getting there, you need to step down approximately 300 steps to visit that waterfall. वाटरफॉल ये
पानी है
कितना. You can see a banner of Hotel Mayura. From there you need to go inside, and as you can see from my left hand side there is a children's park, and there are many people who came on the weekend with their families, and there is a ample amount of parking space for car and bikes. वाटरफॉल कहाँ पे? वाटरफॉल बाइक कहाँ पे रखे उधर? This is a small waterfall with a very small stream of water coming down from the mountains. The place is green, and I have seen some locals enjoying in the water. You can see a temple of Lord Shiva in this location, and if you go straight from the temple, you will enter the forest area. Following the trail, you will see some people chilling out. This is the end of the trail, and it's a good place for a half day visit with your family. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down in the comment section below if you have any doubts regarding the place. Thank you.